You talk to your cat all day long, and you have no idea she stopped listening years ago. Most owners think their cat understands them, but most owners are wrong. The way you talk to your cat right now is the single biggest reason she ignores you, hesitates when you call her, and looks confused when you give a simple command. It is not her fault. It is yours. In the next 15 minutes, you are going to learn exactly what you are doing wrong, why it is breaking the way your cat hears you, and how to fix it starting tonight at dinner. Stay with me until the very end, because the worst mistake is not what you think it is, and almost every owner is making it without knowing. By the time we get to that final mistake, you will see your own behavior in a way you cannot unsee. That is the point. You are not a bad owner. You are an owner who was never taught how a cat actually hears you. Nobody teaches this, not the breeder, not the vet, not the trainer at the kitten class. Today, you learn it. Here is the truth nobody tells you. Your cat does not speak English. She does not speak any language. Your cat reads two things: tone and pattern. Tone is the sound and feeling of your voice, and pattern is the consistency of the words you use. When they line up, your cat understands you. When they do not, she hears nothing but noise. Most owners spend their day producing noise, saying sit, then sit down, then sit your butt down. To you, it is the same. To her, these are 4 different sounds. She picks none of them. We are going to fix every single hole in that bucket, because once you understand that your cat is listening to sound and not language, every syllable and pause you make starts to matter in a way it never did before. A cat can learn around 160 distinct sound patterns in a lifetime, but the average owner produces tens of thousands of random word combinations a day. The math does not work. You have to choose which sounds matter. Stop using 12 words for one action. A cat learns single words attached to single actions. One word, one meaning. Sit means sit. Down means down. Out means out. Pick one word for each action today. Write it on the fridge so the whole family uses the same term, and stop using synonyms. Your cat will start responding within 48 hours because you finally gave her a consistent pattern to map. Now let's talk about tone. Your voice has 3 jobs: to call, to direct, to praise. Calling is bright and high, pitched to invite her toward you. Directing is low, flat, and short to command without arguing. Praise is warm, slow, and rich to show her she succeeded. Most owners get this backward. Match the tone to the job and practice it out loud tonight. Even if you feel ridiculous for 10 minutes, your cat will respond differently for the rest of her life. And here is a pro tip. Record yourself calling your cat, then play it back. You will be shocked at how flat, rushed, or anxious you sound. That recording is the most powerful training tool you have. The part that will sting is this: stop repeating yourself. The moment you say sit and she does not listen, if you say it again and again, you are teaching her that the word sit means nothing the first 4 times. It only means something on the 5th time when you finally get angry. Protect your words. Say it once, wait 2 seconds, and if she does not comply, guide her gently or reset. If you spend your words, the words die. Never use your recall word for things she hates, like the bath or nail clippers. If that word always predicts something good, it will work like a charm every time. Finally, the worst mistake: talking to your cat when she is overstimulated. When she is pouncing, scratching, or tearing through the house, her brain is not processing language. You could scream her name 20 times, but you are just adding more noise to her storm. The fix is silence. Go quiet, wait for her to land, wait for her nervous system to settle, and only then speak one calm, final word. When you find that window of silence after the spike, she will hear you for the first time in her life. Do these things, and within a week, you will have a different animal on your hands. Same cat, different owner. That is how it works. This is Feline Mind, the channel that shows you how. Our sister channel, Feline Mind Psychology, shows you the why behind every behavior. If you want to understand the inner world of your cat as you make these changes, that channel is waiting for you. And while you are here, the complete cat owner guide is pinned below this video. Start at the beginning, work your way through, and by the end of it, you will be the owner your cat has been waiting for her whole life.